and this is restraining us and be in the kind. I mean, I could them. Sajon, Sadina Masamono, send ye when he GB he. No, Sana Ghana for every 1 minute Ghanaian. Would your class also air time? Sajon. Now, before say, we lay foundation. Say, oh my way on. See, I'm here. That could be sorry. Yentia Sempa. Minim Semenya Nombekaya 2020, the lead up to 2024 elections. Afro barometer, as we are trying to discuss. Ne Saturday evening. Yet now, me no me. Yet now, I had discussed Afro barometer report. That was the last report, election reporter a buyer before the general elections. A kasafa, ye democracy, ye kabema mikabi. The way and manner. Emebuno e lose confidence e democracy nim. Ye kabima mi kabi so okay. Yes, about best 60% there. Wo musi omuni confidence e democracy nim. Say John, ni nyina e ye proye kankan corruption.
Ene so omo
ye because they are politically affiliated. Say John, said inam de ntini ma ni ko gina court. Enie and charges here the boy and the boss said in no na over 70 about 76 charges count any the man said John any the kind yes said in MS appropriate sika na oye master CU na also the year juma says sika no according to investigation no odi says sika no said John Iyoku investigation or the buyer June 2014 actually say Sedinam invested a sum of 150,000 say John Tetehusika 1.5 billion ewo Obatampa Microfinance Company Limited, a licensed tier 2 microfinance company limited, Edra Ashanti region ahia Sika odema Obatampa after say we raise 150,000 Sika odema Obatampa na 500,000 Tejon 500,000 no omo chere say interest na ede sika no so no Obatampa for interest na ede sika no so ntino omo poi na say John mama establish say 500,000 no na ye check eno de mo Obatampa but interest na account ntino omo ye say omo entimi into omo return it. Yes no more return no obi o de check call ye no wo so on pay check ni bi o pay cash say John after so the check ni call ye no ye check no GU cash. Yes 81 Obatampa reject sika no check no because of the interest. It will more return ade no anke bia anka say check ni ba no according to Yoko report no e say maame no ebeje e cash say sika no master for say o man hu ba bia fire say John in fact almost 30 ba bia okoji sika no but you na total filling station a Spinters Road says okoji sika no 28 August 2014 and Oakrodi receipt of the refund from Obatampa. 2015, Maslock had the letters come Obatampa for the payment of interest because now Maslock are doing and say Sikano ewo edasu Obatampa ho. So ho. Now Maslock are doing almost say scandal so Obatampa but not knowing say na said na.
Obi akwa kwaje.
Aji Sikano.
Filling station.
Filling station bachona. Minimum fa. Waji Sikano. Sir John 2017, of course, Sanyama we nyina by Omra after also no or ye Masok chief executive from 2013 to 2017. Nane party NDC Efra Bemu. There was a new regime under leadership of the former president Danko Kufuado to the new Masok boss and Osha say or this animal we ni neba bonte. Sir John Yoku esa ediba bonte say Omoshemu omaye no esa kire say in April 2016 Sedinam enya approval from the then no CEO no only approval from the board say only use 1,706,000 Ghana cedis and fanye sensitization and monitoring program for 85,300 beneficiaries of Maslock. John T. Sika ne was say or spending wo each person. Omo makwaji Maslock loans no. Mu say kwaji loan no a e wo say onya sika ne back. Enti ye church e die sika na wo je no adwuma betim dia ye mfaso betimi aba bia bosumi bia na wotwi bia sika wo so usumi twa se ne be ya sika na dia ma no undefault ana se enkosa ana sorry on say no emma e ka meda wo so yem fa abanka ba emidi wachi sa dwumadi no na ye vote 1,706,000 se sedinam enfanye say John each Mastrock beneficiary sensitization program ne baswa ubenya 20 Ghana cedis as or transportation fare 20 Ghana. Sir John Yoko say omoye nhwemu no after say board no approve 1,706,000 no some 1,816,000 ena under the leadership of Sedinam omo withdraw from Mastrock accounts. Out of that money sika omo de year sensitization no Sir John when is come the year according to Yoko report no 13 million sika dada 1,300 Ghana.
This is we say all Kenya now mention Yoko.
Yes.
Yoko
report.
Yoko.
Yes.
Yoko. Okay.
And out of 1 million board no approve 1,706,000. And now Mastrock withdraw 1,816,000. That's no crown. The board no approve you no. Almost have withdraw more than the board no approve you. You see you didn't be a man.
Yeah.
Good. And the sika omu use out of the 1,816,000 Ghana cedis no. Sika omu use here for sub program no. Na 1,300. 30 million. Iti we 30 million. Every 1,816,000 I said John. The akano. Ube se na sika no. Ewo hen. Sir John. Aha enomo ye sensitization program no. Voter region AAB, Greater Accra AAB, Bono Ahafo regions, the Bono Ahafo regions, and as you count Bono East, and a Bono. Say, Satam cry no boom. Aha, it's your mono AAB. Sir John, 80, that time, not regions near 10. Omo ye no, were 3 regions with 13 million, 1,300 Ghana cedis. The other 7 regions, you know, according to Yoko report, you know, Bibi Anko so.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sir John. Sir John, win him. Sir John, a yakano, so annoying. Sir John, so annoying. O procure, and ye may be a no crowd so, Sir John, and far a year. Public Procurement Act no we need process ne so.
That is what the judgment is saying.
Yes.
Sana judgment.
Sana Yoko do cry make Yoko report.
Yoko
report nkwa na make.
Omo ye ho adwuma.
We Yoko report nkwa na make.
No, this is yes. I mean this is
yes. Because I don't court.
As part of their investigation.
Investigation, yes.
Towards the woman.
So yes. Eti woni bi mama can say prosecutorial document no. Kwa do I the born or court no and I'm reading no. Kwa do I the born or court and I'm reading no. Then time and I'm reading no. Sir John, according to the Yoko investigation in 2013, Mastrock was authorized by the then president John Mahama to provide financial assistance to victims of the Kantamanto market fire disaster. Okay.
Okay.
The assistance was to be done through Jadifu Adamfu Savings and Loans Company Limited, Jadifu Adamfu, by disbursing 1,465,035 first words to the victims. However, investigation showed that the appellant, we tama or appeal no it is a document na me over 90 it appellant here no age homa sedinam appropriated 579,800 out of the 1,465,035 pesos. It is car His Excellency John Dramani Mahama then. Let's say Mahama 1. Tamwa asem ato eye kantamanto. Edwadifo womra omudwa ahye no mani aye omani so atata omani aye omonto tonto. Eno manpanyi say Maslock enyi sika eye 1,465,035 enfam wadwadifo no me paid for yeah enfam wadwadifo no me wani wo pa meba form enfam wadwadifo no yes enfam wadwadifo no maame sadinam eyi sika no 579,800 Ghana cedis pe ene ye etu bebu sa say de aka no ewo Sir John de aka no wo Count 9. In August 2016, the appellant, acting for and on behalf of Maslock, addressed correspondent to the Public Procurement Authority (PPA), requested approval pursuant to the Public Procurement Act for the procurement of vehicles from Mac Autos and Spare Parts Limited for the benefit of the GPRTU by means of the single source procurement method. The PPA in response requested Maslock to provide it with financial arrangement as approved by the Finance Ministry. On 5th December 2016, the Minister for Finance wrote to the PPA to confirm financial arrangement under consideration for the procurement of the vehicles. The appellant, without obtaining any approval from the PPA, execute a contract with Mac Autos on 6 December 2016 for the supply of 350 vehicles. Sir John, as it train Send ye na ye nim no. Sir John, say we ye abenjumani and also ye penny bi wa benmu. Na say opese odi aban sika eto bibia and na odi edwumadi bia. Ye frɛ bibi Public Procurement Act. E kwan papa e wo se wo fa so. Auditors nyina ani twiem so ho. Measures a process a wo se wo fam e wo se tender na wo bie. Sir John, ebia JB ne tablet yi na ebia opese auto. Tablet yi opese auto yi ye to ama ban dwuma efo. Why adwuma ban na wo sa tablet ni bia almost so I ready so meton ama sa company no. Etimu nyina mo ba ne atotoma no. Oh, me tablet no eye pa. Ni bo ye sei. Me soso me de no etwa we ni bo ye sei. Enti mpanifo betena so ma hwese okay. Wo de no eye ni bo no wo fom enti betimi aboa sana procurement no nyina hyehyɛ no etie but so de according to Yuko report no wan fa nya adwuma to no a de ne pɛ engage Mac Autos eno no a ekra cars no 2016 350 vehicles. Yuko report.
Yuko ya wo ho is spending nights. Some investigation. Omo report that. Omo the court.
Any. Sir John, the tie. The vehicles afim bebubu mama a cars or toy. 150 Chevy Aveo saloon cars, 100 Chevy Sparklight vehicles, and 133-seater Isuzu buses. Maslock therefore applied for and obtained tax waivers in respect of all the vehicles to be supplied by Mac Autos. The unit price quoted by Mac Autos for each Chevy Aveo was $74,495, equivalent to $18,883.39. The investigation, however, found that with the same year and exclusive of duty, Mac Autos offered the same vehicle at a retail price of $47,346.93, equivalent to $12,009.91. It is $12,000 every $18. The sikana kano.
Okay. Inti we nyina ye nsɛm
a yoku report after investigation or the court. It is a John.
Inti
se okuta adie we ya Sir John to bitimi fa ne hodi man ye. Sir John say me kase me do kuni nyina mu amaka say already about 94-page document. First trial no rule in a court so. Prosecutor ne den na dwumadi a odi ye. The judge no ejina so edibu aten any enei. Sir John. Adena yedi oman na wusa. Sir John. Count no makatro say count na over 70 count charges in the board no. Sir John odifo.
There's a 78.
78. Before.
And
court no den no. A convicted no in absentia. Not just say omo abona so omra na ome face charges. Wa ma. And a court no a convicted no sentence no 10 years imprisonment. It is the na kanyina ne say wabeba Ghana no wabe day. Wabe 7 sentence no. Emu oni eti say court ne sentence no. Wa appeal. Oni ha. Eno ya appeal. Sir John, e ho na menti asie no. Obi a I think we need a lawyer because Sir John many lawyers for ni bi akasa mo say yenye ne sa. So obi a ya convict you to a sentence term or to a prison term. Na wankasa personal uni ha no etimi aye appeal. So Sir John, enra ye nya nim dey see your court. Court ne say trial na di kan call so high court ho no. Enema no bi wo ho a ene emra ene nipa ne fa ahodie no ebo ebra. Enti wo maboni nyina agu. Sir John say waboni nyina agu a na say asemo ayoku investigation yoku ye ne de beda court ma yebu atenya ni bie no na odifo ni nya na enye no kore. That's what it means because ya question ya discharge no. It just say oni asem bia o court bia. Say you are acquitted and discharged. Asem ni atwam it doesn't even exist. For ahudi forever. Anope me sorry ye me say attorney general so say on tiasie enti ono so file appeal we say we appeals court enti ono so they call the higher court which is the supreme court
na bajo court of appeal ho no state na nya ayana enya
lawyer tisi ebusa attorney general tisi ebusa EJ no tisi ebusa the attorney general of the republic say why the defend the Oman Ghana because exactly, so we said in Tamakro versus the republic na so Oman
sadly
and the republic na was say attorney general any ginem e was say aban lawyer penny and also Oman lawyer penny no any ginem e mo Oman no it is said in am enra kopie mu wo eye appeals court no Oman na difo ama said na medim kunim. That is what it means.
Enti say you can say dia and I said, Penifobia, and ya brisse or may I serious ever see a jiska from away. A crocodile John B.
Oh, Sir John. You
see, I mean, a crocodile John B.
Say, he has all power.
So the point is that can of for real task and make cramming can you? Men can you? And you see, Nkum.
Sir John.
I didn't know.
Sir John. Me adia me baby a me ye concern so dia say say o hwe the Afrobarometer report about 2014 me dey minim say nka enema mototo nyema yie so on say na be ya me he Sir John o say democracy is expensive wa o dey try a military rule le hwe say democracy board ya say o say multi-party democracy expensive said the 1992 constitution ediama my uncle the dark days near her say expensive wa it is a John adia yenya for over 30 years eni empenifo atna say enema no bi wo ho a ye betimi ayi afrim in a very civil manner. Say John he ma make asem nchiro wo share the chronology or the evolution of our democracy. You go through a lot too. Sir John, your first republic that be 1960, and I'm a boy. 6 years time, and now you too good violently. It was through a coup. Makan was a share history be ewa a free fane kutukamo ebugu ye. Sir John, ya be mu 1969. 3 years time, you're saying a republic. That was the second republic. Sir John, and also so Yebogui. In fact, between 1969 and 1979, 10 years back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, minor. Na ejina chese enyeman koye. 1979, Sir John, yes, Benya your third republic. Sir John, by 1981, 2 years per any day. No so Yebogu ye. It took 11 years, 92, and sana Yebenya the fourth republic. And now standing a test of time. But Sir John, from 1960, 69, 79, your constitution yes, in fact, as at 1960, no, now your country not done one party state. 1966, now I done one party state. Ubekai the PDA era. It's the evolution of our democratic build-up on us, John. You go through a lot. It gets me standing the test of time. And in 1992 year you me. I said we over 30 years. And they your team at Nasi. Atotonia ma kodru say, Sir John, they say yan kunto kwa bioni their 10 year democracy no. Obi mfatuo bioni their 10 year democracy no. And they are 10 year republic no. Ye betena se nya no ba ya no ba ye eti ya no ba ye wie na se ye wie na se o man no bia article we cross we yen sa we constitution ni mu a de ye entrench no referendum ebeba so ana se pom close the plebiscite whatever ebeba so na yakoto aba na yasesa de also o man ne to no de also an act of a simple act of parliament also sesa no ne kama na de koye nim Sir John saa na you say ye ko no. But Sir John, so what share senior and near my boba now all the total Afrobarometer report to a buyer 2024 and yet 10 year Sir John, I beg to differ. Mr. Your judiciary no yen city up kakra Sir John with the mesre yen city up kakra Sir John hey say legislative assembly ni failure
okay
executive ni failure adia ye wo a judiciary.
Can it also be say, I mean, court can high court, right?
High court.
Ebi so minus 20 me anken asem yi.
And also but Sir John, you see that is it. Unim. Meridi
ebi so e ho prayer.
Meridi report
ebi na o man e ho prayer.
Unim. Meridi reports ni bia.
Or
no then
no
then
dear na judge ni jina so the sentence woman.
Okay.
Yeah, it also it's a valid panel give a reason. Sir John, where unim say anadwi me go through report no.
The lawyers at the time so it me make a good case for her.
The lawyers and me defending the year. The lawyers and me defending the year. E dear na judge ni jina so at the sentence into 10 years. Because
I said fact.
Because the judgment are even already. It was and it is still before the judge.